Hello, everybody. Today, I'm very excited to share with all of you our paper to WWW 2023 entitled Hashtag Guided Low Resource Tweet Classification. The main problem we're trying to solve with our paper is tweet classification. Now, this is usually very difficult because tweets are short, informal, and they lack a lot of context. However, an informative hashtag can sometimes make a seemingly arcane tweet a lot easier to decipher. This is because hashtags can add context, clarify the stance, express sarcasm, and so on. So we have a few examples here in the next slide. Specifically, I'd like to point out the third example. The original tweet is, "He's the GOAT for sure." Now, this tweet is quite vague, but if we add the hashtag, for example, hashtag NBA Finals, then that adds a lot more context and gives us a lot clearer of a picture of what this tweet is talking about. And this is especially true for low resource settings. And so the question is, how do we best extract and leverage these hashtags? And this is where our model comes in. We propose Hashstation, or hashtag guided tweet classification model. And Hashstation is made of two key modules, the tweet attention module and the entity attention module. So if you see at the right here, this diagram shows the overall pipeline of our model. First, we use the TAM and EAM modules to extract the hashtags. And once these hashtags are extracted, we then fuse them with the initial tweet and feed this to a pre-trained discriminative model in order to output the predictions. So for the tweet attention module, the goal is to identify most relevant tweets which share the same overall topics or semantics with the current tweet. The motivation is that semantically relevant tweets most likely contain similar hashtags. To do this, we use a document or tweet level attention module. Next, for the entity attention module, the goal is to identify the most relevant tweets which share the same entities as the current tweet. This is because named entities in tweets can help inform the hashtags. And to do this, we build an entity graph and use graph attention networks. So here we have a brief picture of our results. Before that, I'd like to talk a bit more about our experiments. For the dataset, we use TweetEval. Specifically, we use low resource version of TweetEval, so we use a fraction of the tweets. For evaluation, it's precision recall and F1. And for the tasks, we have emotion classification, whether or not it's hate speech, irony, offensive, sentiment classification, and stance classification. For the baseline models, we have some Roberta models, some BERT models, and the state-of-the-art models were BERT Tweet and Time LMS. So we built the Hashstation on top of these two models and show the results here. As you can see by the figures in bold, the Hashstation models perform quite well, which verifies our hypothesis that including these hashtags indeed helps with the classification. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you all of you for listening. We invite you to look at our paper, look at our code. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We're very happy to talk about our paper. Thank you.